Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros without a piping bag. Start by bringing 2 cups water, salt, and 2 tablespoons sugar to a simmer, then stir in 2 cups flour until a ball forms. Cool briefly, then beat in 2 eggs one at a time until smooth and glossy. Use a zip bag or spoon to shape churros, fry in hot oil, and toss in cinnamon sugar when golden. I explain easy shaping methods that skip the piping bag entirely. Fill a zip-top bag and snip a small corner for steady squirting, or use 2 spoons to drop strips directly into the oil. A cookie scoop helps make consistent pieces for even frying. Keep oil at medium-high to get crispy exteriors and soft centers, and drain on paper towels before rolling in cinnamon sugar for the best texture. I help you nail frying and finishing so your churros are crisp and airy. Keep oil near 350 degrees F and fry in small batches for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and puffed, turning as needed. Drain on paper towels to remove excess oil, then toss while warm in a mix of 1/2 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Serve with chocolate or dulce de leche for dipping and enjoy fresh for best results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.